Kain tayo ice cream. Pag hindi ka mabilis, walang ice cream, okay? Punta.
Where?
Ice cream na tayo. Tara. Sama ka ba?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever.
Alam mo saan pupunta? Go na. Ligo na po.
So early.
What?
Where are we going actually? No, something says about ice cream!
Ay,
Ice cream!
oh, wag mo naman ba't? Ay, naku.
Where are we actually going?
Secret daw.
Please.
You guess where?
Japan?
Wow! Wow!
Japan.
High five! Ang galing! Hindi sa Japan.
Daddy, where are we actually going?
You want honest na ako. Boracay. Nasa... Hola! Kaya... Sana! Dito masarap mag-ice cream sa Boracay. Yan na yung Japan natin ha. Hindi na tayo magja-Japan ha.
No.
Nag-Boracay ka.
I really love it, thank you.
Wow. Welcome anak. Look at this view.